I've been doing so many things for everyone and everybody else that I have not often taken the time to care for myself. As a homemaker, we just get so caught up in doing all the things, the cooking, the cleaning, the laundry. All the things that it takes to make and keep a home, that we tend to put ourselves far down on the list, if we show up on the list at all. So for the month of August, I decided to romanticize my life, to do some things that just minister to me, to fill up my tank, so to speak, and I'll be trying a few new things. I'm just gonna spend a little me time. I don't get my nails done often, but when I do, I like to get a pedicure. I worked in the clinical setting for so long, and we could not wear nail polish on our fingernails. So I am not in the habit of wearing fingernail polish, but I do love to get a pedicure. I like for my feet to be pretty, particularly when we're wearing open-toed shoes. So one of the things I decided to do to romanticize my life was to get a pedicure and to try out a bright new nail color for fall. It was so relaxing to just sit there, to just be tended to. I had my phone on silent, so I didn't have to worry about anyone calling, and I could just relax and enjoy. And I've also been exploring the concept of femininity. Just because I'm a woman of a certain age does not mean that I don't want to look and feel beautiful. So I will still wear makeup, particularly to cover the trouble spots. And I do enjoy a bright lip when the time is right. So not only did I buy a new dress for a special occasion, but I thought I'd indulge myself with a new perfume. A new perfume by Dossier called Floral Jasmine. It reminds me of Tom Ford's Jasmine Rouge, but it is much more affordable. And the exuberant floral fragrance is perfect for fall. One of the things that I enjoy doing with my husband is spending time on the water or time near the water. So we took a ride to a couple of spots that we like to visit. I enjoyed the gentle breezes and my dress fluttering in the wind. I pretended I was in a commercial. And it was really nice to stand on the pier and just look out over the water. On the way home, we stopped at a local park. It was a lazy day, perfect for walking in the park or sitting on a park bench. A perfect day to just be. I also enjoy watching the geese. He likes listening for a splash when the fish jump and play, but I like looking at the geese, and I wish I had brought along some breadcrumbs. I thought it would be fun to take some pictures and get some video to send to our children, but he can be such a tease. When I thought he was being romantic and snuggling my neck to smell my new perfume, he started laughing, and then he told me he stuck his tongue out at the camera. I was mortified, and even more so when I realized there was a person coming down the walkway and was watching all of his shenanigans. I want to thank Nikki at Inspired by Nikki for inspiring me to romanticize my life for the month of August. She had so many suggestions that you could use to romanticize your life, and I will admit I used a few of them. I will link her particular video in the description box so that you can check it out, so that you can decide what you might want to do to romanticize your life. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, click the link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.